Okay, Adele here, and welcome to day 16 of the 30-day business challenge. This is going to be a two-part video. The first part of this is going to be the mobile part of this, of how to create a YouTube video. For some people, they don't know how to do this step. Some people do. If you know how to do this step, just go ahead and bypass this. So simply make sure that whatever you have, either Google Play Store or um, your Apple Store, right? You're going to go within that app and you're going to download YouTube and YouTube Studio. Okay, so let me actually go into my App Store to show you guys, right? Literally, it's going to be YouTube, the very first one here, and then Studio. Okay. And the reason you need YouTube Studio is just in case you need to do some edits or changes, um, and to reply to certain comments or publish certain things. You can do it all within YouTube Studio. Okay, so once you have that downloaded, you're going to go into YouTube. You guys can see me. I'm going to start from the very beginning. There's literally a plus button. Click the plus button, and you're going to upload your videos. As long as you give YouTube access, it will pull all of your videos from your camera, your reel. Okay, you can do your video from there. You can also do your short. I look a little crazy, so excuse me. Um, you can also do a live, okay? Or you can do your post from here. So you can literally type and say, hey guys, I am posting. Actually, just posted my new video, or whatever you want to say within your community. You can also add a poll if you want to. You can also ask certain questions to get your community involved and create questions as well. You can do a lot within the app. That is why I like to use it a lot. But if you do not have a tripod or a stand or anything to pretty much put within your, like a video cam holder or camera holder for your, what is it called? It's just a holder for your cell phone or for your actual camera. Um, I would advise buying that, but if you don't have that at the moment, just literally use your hand. Try to be as stable as possible with your hand and that you're not moving it back and forth consistently. If not, find something that you can prop your phone on. If you have poor lighting, you can literally buy a ring light. The ring light is, there's like a cheap version. The one I have, I think I bought it for like $10 or less. It's a battery operated ring light. Um, or you can use the back part of your camera on your phone to record. I like iPhones because iPhone's camera quality is clear. So are Samsung phones now. Um, but you don't need all that fancy equipment to start off. My whole goal for you is to literally just start. Okay. That's why I'm just telling y'all to press record. Make sure you put a decent title, which we will go over um, either sometime this coming week about how to look up YouTube titles, and that will also probably be within vidIQ. So that's coming up as well. So this has been day 16, I'm sorry, part one, because this is the mobile version. And then I'm about to do part two, which is if you're recording from a laptop. Please don't get stuck on the fact that you're afraid to record. Once again, this goes back to there is only one you.